always exciting when things start to come together, and the soundboard has been attached to the gourd. Has a nice ring to it already. I can't say how hard it is to be working with something that is round and not square. There's no way to clamp this down. So I think I'm just gonna have to hold it in my lap while I clean off the edges here. Wow, this is a pain in the neck. I'm sure there's better tools for this than what I was using. I'm just gonna sand the edges now. That was an elapsed time of about a half an hour to do all the sanding and get the sides super smooth. It's a pain in the neck, but it is very, very satisfying. And boy, it's coming right along. All I need to do now is make a bridge, drill the string holes, and I'm gonna fill these holes in the back as well. Another exciting day in the build. I got the top put on and sanded. I got the bridge put in place, and I drilled the holes for the strings. I also filled the neck screw holes. I had to use mahogany because they don't make a gourd colored putty. And I'm gonna let this dry for a day and tomorrow. While you're watching me apply a coat of Watco Danish oil, I'll tell you about a couple of things that happened that apparently I didn't make a video of. You can see I made a maple bridge. It's in a triangular shape and it's about a ½ an inch tall. I can always cut little notches into it to adjust the action if it's too high. I used the mahogany colored wood putty, but it wasn't quite right. So after I sanded it, I used a brown colored pencil to try and match the shade of the gourd. After you put the Watco on, you wipe off the extra, and it just soaks into the wood and becomes a hard finish. I also drilled the 4 string holes below the bridge. I didn't cut the notch in them yet, but you'll be able to see it when I post the pictures at the end of this video. So close to being finished. I just need to put on the tuning pegs. I'm gonna let the oil dry and I'm gonna string it up tomorrow. Here it is, looks very nice. Sounds great. The spruce top sounds much better than anything I've used before.